There are two popular smartwatches, the Apple Watch for the entire Apple ecosystem and the Samsung Galaxy Watch for Android ecosystem. Obviously, there are fossil to sort citizens that have their own watches which are Wear OS compatible, but the Samsung Galaxy Watch is really prominent and most people know it. And I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for the past week, and it got me thinking, can my smartwatch replace my dependency on my phone for simple day-to-day applications? And in this video, I want to answer that question by looking at 5 scenarios. So let's get right into them. So the first one I want to look at is payments. Now when I'm outside shopping and I buy something, I don't want to take out my wallet, take out my card, make the payment, put it back, put it in my pocket and go. I mostly just make use of my phone to make the payment. And with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you have Google Pay and also Samsung Pay, and you can make use of that for paying for your stuff. I've not tried it out, but it works. So you can basically go out with your watch to make payments and reduce the number of times you pull out your phone to make that payment, or even pull out your credit card to make that payment. On to the second scenario. The second scenario I want to look at is controlling music. We have all been in that scenario, I assume, where our music is playing through our headphones, but it's not at the right level. It's either too high or too low, and then we try to increase or decrease the volume by keeping the phone in our pocket and accidentally increase it or decrease it too much. But with this watch and the rotating bezel, it's actually really simple because the music controls are all built in over here. So with the bezel, you can increase and decrease the volume to your liking without double guessing yourself whether you actually increased it or decreased it. And the next one is where you have to either double tap or triple tap to go to the next song, go to the previous song, and you're thinking whether, oh, did my song get paused? Do I have to pull it out and check or not? You can see it directly over here. Go to the next song, go to the previous song, or directly choose a song that you want. So again, it reduces the number of time you have to look at your phone to do all those things. Going on to the third scenario. So the next scenario I want to look at is creating tasks or reminders. We have all been in that scenario where we need to create an instant reminder so we don't forget to do something important somewhere down the line, and we have to pull out our phone, call on our assistant to create a reminder or put it in a task management application. And all of those can be done on your watch. You can download the Google Assistant on your watch, or if you prefer to use Bixby, you can go ahead and use that, and it will create the reminder for you and sync it with your entire Google account if you use Google Assistant. And it's really useful. You don't have to pull out your phone, activate your assistant, talk to it. You can do it all on your watch if it's connected over Bluetooth. And if you have the LTE version, then without even your phone, you can do it and it works seamlessly. So yes, once again, it reduces the use of your phone and you can do it on your smartwatch. Moving on to the next scenario. The next scenario is interacting with notifications. Every time our phone vibrates, chimes, rings, we take it out of our pockets, see what notifications have come or what updates are there, and then we put it back inside our pockets, and that is kind of time consuming. With the watch, all your notifications are synced to the watch, so you can directly interact with those notifications on your watch. You can see like some reply suggestions it gives, or you can even start a new conversation. So you can tell the Google keyword and send a message to person X or send a WhatsApp message to person X. So it becomes really convenient. You just have to keep it close to your mouth and talk. It might look weird, but it works. It again eliminates the need for you to be with your phone and keep texting while walking. You can just walk and talk. I think there used to be an Indian ad like that or something, but yeah, it again eliminates the need for your phone, and it's also kind of more convenient. Moving on to the next scenario. The last topic I want to cover is interacting with social media apps. We all love Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, etc., but you can't interact with those applications on your smartwatch because there are no compatible apps for it. For those, you have to make use of your smartphone. So in that one scenario, your smartphone wins and your smartwatch kind of loses. So in a nutshell, can a smartwatch replace your smartphone? Yes, in some scenarios, but also no in some scenarios. But overall, for the day-to-day use case, you can just go around with your smartwatch. And if you have the LTE version of a smartwatch, then it completely eliminates the need of your smartphone because you can make calls directly without your phone being in close proximity and stuff. So it can replace it, but at the same time, it can't replace it for all things such as sending emails or looking up your social media account and stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of different. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, share this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.